It's my day 15 of documenting, and today I want to talk about online money. So, the truth about online money is once you start making online money, it's so hard for you to go back to who you were before touching online money. Because the thing is, the online money part is so surreal. Because back then, when I was 20 or 21, I started making money from online sources, which was promotions and some sort of telegram stuff and type shit. So the truth about online money is that the amount of money that you make is so like is so high, you can say. Like when you're doing a job, so online money can replace a job within 2-3 days of income. Like with only 2-3 days of income, your whole job can be replaced. Because back then, when I was making money from online sources, I was making approximately uh, 10,000 to 15,000 rupees per day. But that amount, you know that with with greater money comes greater risk, right? So back then, when I was making this shit ton of money, I realized that it's temporary. Of course, like the income cannot go with you. Like this online income cannot go with you for a lifetime. You have to create assets. You have to create investment through that money, which I did, and that's why I'm regretting that shit, because I didn't made any investment. Like instead of investment, I used that money to travel, to spend on my things, and that was my mistake. Because I should have realized that this shit is temporary and I should focus on creating assets rather than buying liabilities. But after that, when that online money stopped, which was supposed to happen eventually, I realized that now making money without that risky part is so difficult, man. Like you have to create so much so much leverage. You have to make content. You have to have some sort of skills. You have to have some. I'm not telling that to make that online crazy money you you don't require skill. Of course, for that also you require skill, but the thing is, for that part, the skill barrier is so low. You don't require a lot of skill to make online to make risky online money. But to make real online money, you have to have a lot sort of skills and a lot sort of selling skills and content skills, scripting, and a lot things goes hand in hand. So once you touch online money, make sure you touch real online money, not some risky type shit that I did, because that shit is temporary as fuck, bro. So for that, do I regret that part? No, because that part taught me a lot of things. So the only truth about online money is that shit is temporary until or unless it's coming from some sort of skills or service based business. So the only advice I wanna give is, if you guys are starting an online journey, an online income journey, the only thing that you should keep in mind is that you should make that online money through some sort of business or some sort of service based business, or yes, service based business. And you can run paid ads for businesses. You can make UGC AI UGC videos for businesses, and you can make some content for yourself. Like there are a hell ton of things you can do, but do not pick some risky online stuff. That stuff can be good for some sort of time, but apart from it, it's not good. You have to have some sort of real income, right? So this was for today, and we'll meet you guys in day 16. Until unless, keep making online money. Bye bye.